Hi guys, shall we start? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Any questions from yesterday's class? Do you even remember what did we do yesterday? I hope I'm audible to all of you. Everyone has.
Audible.
Yes.
Audible.
Okay. So, how many of you from Wells Fargo here? Can you just name out your. Sridhar, you are from US, right?
Yes, ma'am. From Wells.
Okay. Aditi? Aditi?
Yes, ma'am.
You're from Wells Fargo team?
Sorry, I didn't get.
Are you an individual joiner here?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. So, do you have the contact of Sarita? I mean, Harsha Technologies to contact them?
Yes, I have.
Okay, got it. Next. Uh, Amir, sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Is it Amir?
Yeah, it's like Akil. I need to change my name.
Very good.
Yeah.
Fine. So you're from Wells Fargo or individual one?
Yeah, I'm from individual.
Okay. Did you contact Harsha Technologies?
Sorry?
Did you contact Harsha Technologies?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Just making sure if you guys are clear because we are trying to change the new link. Because the recordings will be, I mean, you will have the recordings from the classes. I'm about to start the classes. Just to be, the link all obviously, right? So you're going to change the demo link and trying to plan for the afternoon mostly. Can you guys make that out to afternoon? Because I saw that majority of the people, almost like 9 to 10 people here wants an afternoon session. I just want to know now how many of you are not okay with afternoon session. Just tell me who is not okay with afternoon session so that we can fix to one decision. Siddharth is one because he has afternoon shift. Anyone else? So other than Siddharth, for everyone it works? Afternoon?
Yes, it
Yes,
works.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sounds good. So 2 to 3 in the afternoon. It works for all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's fine.
Fine then. Siddharth,
Ma'am.
can you try managing with the recordings or something, please?
Okay, ma'am. I'll try.
So when is your shift in the afternoon?
Afternoon 2 o'clock, ma'am.
At 2 you have your shift?
What, ma'am?
At 2 sharp you have your shift, right?
Yes, ma'am. I need to report there at 1:45 only, ma'am, in office.
So in office, are you not allowed to use phone?
No, ma'am, not allowed.
Again a problem. Okay then guys, 12 to 1 works for all of you then? No, 12 to 1 will be very... Yep. Just 2 hours away from here. No, let's make it 2 to 3. Siddharth, you try to do it with the recordings for now. Physical class, next batch, join again. I'll try to make it in the morning.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Shall we do that? That's fine.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Can you manage?
I'll manage, ma'am.
So anyways, you will have my contact, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So listen to the recording. If you have any questions, feel free to message me.
Okay.
That way I can support you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And sometimes whenever you're free, listen to the classes at 2 o'clock, join the class and listen whenever possible.
Okay. Okay, sure.
I'll make sure that you will get the recording every day. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So guys, shall we do it from tomorrow itself at 2 o'clock? But today, let's make it now. And from tomorrow itself, shall we do it at 2 p.m.?
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then. I think, Sarita, you're here.
Yes.
So I think we got to a conclusion finally. It will be 2 to 3 in the afternoon.
Okay. Sure.
So Siddharth will manage with the recordings for few days. If we are
Okay.
starting a new batch, data analytics, we are planning to do it in the morning, right? Early in the morning.
Yes.
So Siddharth will join us again there.
Sure.
If he want a physical, he'll continue with the recordings now. If he's good
Okay.
with it, very nice. If not, he will anyways contact me if he has any doubts or something. I'll give him my Saturday and Sunday 1 hour to clarify his doubt sessions for him because he's
Okay.
adjusting for us. And next batch, when it's morning, he will join us there again
Sure.
if needed. Okay, Siddharth? Okay. I think Sarita, we figured it out. From tomorrow itself, we'll make it 2 to 3.
Sure.
Okay then. Thanks, Sarita.
Thank you.
So is my screen shared, guys?
Yes.
Shall we start with Excel? All of you have Excel in your laptops?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, right. Everyone is having Excel, right? Fine. So open Excel. How do you open Excel? You guys are clear?
Yes.
In the search box, just type Excel. You will automatically get a recommendation of Excel app if it's inbuilt in your laptop. Most of the time, make sure it's inbuilt. And then if you click on it, you will open Excel. So what do you guys know about Excel? First tell me, what do you guys know? Guys, be interactive. You cannot be quiet like this.
Sorry.
It's a spreadsheet with which uses to analyze the data.
Is
Okay,
used
it's
to
a tool to
organize the
analyze
data.
data. Sorry, it is organized data. Okay, very good. Next. Okay, Excel is actually a tool by Microsoft. Firstly, okay, Excel is a tool by Microsoft. Clear? Now, who uses Excel? Whoever wants to work with numbers. When I say work with numbers, it can be financial status. Like if you want to do a budget in your family, okay. Suppose in your family, what has happened in the last 24 hours? How much budget you have spent? To know that also you can use Excel, right? Other than that, you can also use Excel in your office. Suppose your office, you have a team. In your team, you have, uh, what do I say? 20 people. So who is working on what? Who is working on what task? How far they have come? To analyze that also you can use, right? And when we talk about teachers in the school, to note down a sheet of marks, what each student got, they will use Excel. Okay.
Yes.
So these are the multiple things where you can use Excel. So whenever you open Excel, the Excel file is called workbook. It's called workbook. Do you see here? It's called blank workbook here. If you click on this blank workbook, you will go to your first Excel workbook. Okay. So do you, each one here, each block is called cell. Noted? Each box is called cell. How to identify which cell we are in? It's very simple. It's a combination. of number and the alphabet in the column which you are. It is, what is this cell which I'm in? What's the name of this cell?
I8.
I8. Now
G5.
G5. So I have having G and 5. It's G5. E4. D2. Understand now? So this each one is called a cell. And this way if I go, this 1, 2, 3. What is this? Row or column?
Row.
Row.
Say row. The sleeping ones are rows. Maybe you can remember like this. It's horizontal or vertical?
Horizontal.
Horizontal.
This is
Vertical.
vertical. So vertical ones are columns or rows?
Column.
Columns. So sleeping ones are
Rows.
rows. Understood what is a row? What is a column?
Yes.
What is a cell?
D2. D2.
Correct. No, I'm not saying what is this cell. I'm asking what is a cell. Did you understand? Okay. Chalo. Now, how to write a formula. So always remember when you're writing, generally when you're using Excel, suppose you have numbers here. Suppose you have 20, 30, 40, 50. You have. Now you have another values also, like you have 20, 45, 65, 78. Now you want to divide, after adding this whatever value you got, you want to divide it by whatever value you got here. Understood? How do I get the total of this? So you cannot go and do 20 plus 40 plus 65. You need not add. You can go here and say is equals to, select this cell. See, it is giving reference here, D6.
Yes.
Correct. Now, if you want 45 also to be added, you should not just do down arrow. Only down arrow will not work. You have to select top and next also, right? If you do one cell, it's called reference. If you do multiple cell like this, it's called range. You get that? Ma'am, how are you selecting? Very simple. Click on the first one. Do you see it is added here?
Yes.
Now click on shift. Shift and then down arrow, and down arrow. Now from D6 to D9. Understood?
Yes. Yes.
This is how it is adding. Now if I do enter, it won't add. Because did you say that it should add?
No.
We just told this is the range of data. That's all, right?
Hmm.
So simple formula if you want to read this one plus this cell. You see that it is adding the cells?
Yes.
Plus
Yes.
this cell plus next cell. Enter. Now it is doing addition.
Yes.
Now this cell is having a formula here. Do you see that? This cell is having a formula there. Okay. If I click on the cell, you see the formula here?
Yes.
This is the formula bar. And the top one, you see all the options. This is called ribbon. It's called ribbon. And the bottom one you see here is the formula bar. Okay. Now you understood how to give reference?
Yes.
Here you have selected one by one. I did plus, 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 right?
Yes.
Suppose you have 500 rows. Will you do that? Plus, 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 plus.
No.
Difficult, right?
Yes.
So that's why we have something called formulas in Excel. We have something called formulas and some functions. Now is equals to, I can do the sum. I want to add, right? Addition is called sum. The number one, number two, and so on you can do. What is the numbers I want to add? This 20 I want to add. Now use that multiple cell selection. You need not do shift down arrow also for 500 rows. It's difficult to do it, right? So just do control shift down arrow. It will automatically take all the cells. Clear?
Yes.
Then click on enter. This also will do this. This got 416 because 208 is also added. Understood?
Yes. Yes.
Now this formula, if you copy this cell, Control C, paste Control V. Is it working? You gave the formula, right?
Yes.
You just copied the formula from here. I took the cell. How to copy? Control C. I copied. Now if I paste here, Control V, is it working?
No.
Why it's not working? I'll show you why. If I click here, double click on this. What are the cells selected? It's D6789.
Yes.
Now don't disturb it. Click here in the formula bar, click on enter so that formula won't get disturbed. Now when you copy this from here and paste here and double click on this, what range it is taking from here? Taking these cells. Does these cells have some values?
No.
These cells doesn't have any values, right?
Yes.
So that means reference is moving from here to here, correct?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So that's why it didn't work. Ma'am, without moving, how to do it, ma'am? Very simple. When you're giving a reference, now if you're writing is equals to, now what you have to do? Sum of, this is the range. Control shift down arrow to select the range.
Yes.
We want until here.
Yes.
After that, do function F4. When you're writing formula, not here. Here when you're writing itself, now I'll remove the formula. Here when I'm doing, I will do is equals to, I want summation. Sum of these cells, right? After selecting the cells, do for few systems it will be function F4. For few systems it will be only function. If you're using Dell, it is just function. You know Fn key on the keyboard?
Yes.
That you have to use. If you're using any other laptops, it's function and F4. Then click on enter. So the cells are fixed now. The cells will not move. Now if I copy the formula anywhere, it will be same. See, still I have the same formula copied. Because the cells are fixed. The reference cells are not moving. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes. Clear.
So what did we learn today? I'm not stopping, don't worry. What did we learn? I
Well,
just want to give this notes to you guys so that you know whatever we have learned today. So you know how to open Excel?
yes.
Yes.
Next,
Rows, columns,
Rows, columns.
cell.
rows and columns in Excel. Okay. Cell, rows and columns in Excel. Next, how
Okay.
to write a formula in Excel. How to copy the formula in Excel. Correct? Before that, how to select the range of cells in Excel. You do this. Any questions on this? Will you guys try doing? I'll wait for 2 minutes. Whatever I told, will you guys try?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not able to do it, tell me. Okay? That's why I told you guys, don't worry, I'll go from scratch. All the modules you will learn from scratch only. Okay? So give it a try. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Or if you're trying,
Yes, ma'am.
I see only 2 people responding. How about remaining people?
Yes, ma'am. Trying.
Yes, ma'am. Trying.
Oh. Let me know once completed. Guys, please let me know once done. I'm waiting.
Ma'am, completed.
Completed. Is it easy to handle? Or do you face any difficulties while doing it?
Easy, ma'am.
Easy. Okay. Let's wait for others also.
Completed, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Only 3 completed. Remaining people?
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Shall we go next?
Yes. Yes.
Now, I want you guys to count the number of columns. Do you remember in the demo I gave? Now, it's logical thinking no one can improve in your brain. Okay. So, only thinking what we can tell you is how to do it. Whenever you're learning, people can just tell you how to do it. But while doing it, the logics which we use, that it has to come from your minds. Clear? Now, coming back. So, can you tell me what is the logic I can use to count the number of columns? So, okay, when I am saying how many people are in the class, how do you count?
One
When I
number.
ask you how many people are in the class, how do you count?
In participants list.
Sorry? Guys, how do you count the number of people?
1, 2, 3.
That's all. You count 1, 2, 3. But are you adding a person from the before or you are removing a person from the before? So first I have Samuel. Samuel, you will be 1. Either will I take 1 or will I add Samuel 1 with this one?
Add.
Add Samuel 1 with this one, right? Similarly, can we do 1 for this column? Second column, I'll take 2. Third column, instead of writing 1, 2, 3, 4, can I take is equals to this whatever value is in the previous value plus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you
Yes.
got 3. See, if you drag it, the formula gets moved. It's moving.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Formula is moving, right? Like this, do you think you will move the formula throughout left to right? No, we will copy it. See, here I'll go. There is a formula in this also. I will do Control C. Copy it. Now I want to select all the cells and move to the right. What should I do? With selection, if you want to move to the right, you have to do Control Shift right
Right
arrow.
arrow.
See, with the selection, it is moving. Right?
Yes. Yes.
Control V. Pasted the formula.
Yes.
Every cell got pasted. Now, without selection, if you want to move, Control right arrow. I got the number of columns.
Yes.
Do it and show me how I have done. Try it. If you want to move to the left and right, to the last, go with Control. If you want to select and move, you have to do shift and Control. Okay?
Got it.
Okay. Everyone got it?
Yes.
Shall we go next? Any questions, any doubts, or should we go next?
Yeah, ma'am.
No questions.
Someone has a doubt and called me? Everyone did?
Ma'am.
Yes. Now shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
So the next one, what we will learn is, you know how to write the formula, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now we know how to write the formula. So let's learn some functions. For that, you need some data. Correct?
Yes.
So we'll take some data from Kaggle. Okay? So go to this link, open Chrome. After opening Chrome, just type Superstore or write like this. Yeah, Superstore dataset. Set Kaggle. Just type like that. Or let me get something with three different data. I have data set with orders, returns. Both should be there. Okay. Pravalika. Fine. So now let me just check it. I'll give you the data set because I want both. We'll have two sheets, orders, returns. Okay. And now let me check. See, you have orders. So what is orders data talking about? Orders contains the data about orders made by customers for any product. This table also contains information about customers like name, address, etc. and information about orders like product name, product ID. What is returns containing? Contains information about the returned product with their order ID and additional information. Okay. Now shall we download this Excel SX file?
Yes.
Or you can also go here to download. You see download on the top.
Yes.
Yes.
You click on download, download the zip file. I want you guys to download the zip file. So it will ask you to sign in with Google. Please sign in with the Google for a Kaggle account. After signing in, you can do download. Download data set at zip. It will download the zip file. In the folder, if you go, you will have in the downloads. Just tell me if you have completed this. Let me know if you guys completed it.
Downloaded.
Downloaded, complete.
Yes.
Okay. All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go with the next one here. So the next one we have is, we will open the data set and try to understand some concepts in SQL. Okay. So sorry, in Excel. Okay. If you guys see, I just gave you an introduction and then I told you the UI, workbook and worksheet we did. Now we will do find and search. Okay. Fine. Let's do find and search. So now just do here, right click and extract it first. Do a right click because it's a zip file. Click on extract. Do a right click and click on extract. You will have a non-zip folder if you extract it. Let me know once you have it.
In progress.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, it's done.
Done. Once you extracted it, Now we will try to open the Excel and see what data we have. Okay. If you have to understand the data in real time, you think that, ma'am, real time projects. Whatever project you get, you will have data. Okay. Now just open. It is an Excel workbook file. Excel files will have two extensions, XLSX and CSV. Okay. Now just double click on Superstore dataset. You see the data here? Open the data. When you open the Excel, did you understand anything about the data when you're looking at it? Do you understand anything about the data? So on the top, if you click on home, you will get a ribbon like this. Just click on this right side pin button. Click on pin, you will have home tab. Now, if you click on this, each columns, no, then you will have things. This is actually pivoted data. Okay. Protected view. One second, let me open the Excel properly. It's in protected view. If it's in protected view, you guys can't work on it. Let me remove it from protected view and share the file with you guys. Enable editing. See, if you click on enable editing, you can edit. Okay. Now to remove the filters, you just have to select all the column names and go here. You will have sort and filter. Are you guys here on the screen? Guys, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So you go to the, I'll give you shortcuts that may be better. Now you select it and do Control Shift Excel is not supporting. Okay, select it like this. Do select column, Control Shift right arrow, and see how many columns and rows you are having. On the bottom, you will get the averages, sums, and count. Now, if you go to each row, I told you I'll teach first filtering thing, correct? So if you look at the filtering, first you have row IDs. Do you have single row ID or do you have a columns here? So the column name is too big, right? Edit the column names like this properly. Click on the cell and click on enter. So these columns will change. These columns are having that inverted commas and stuff. Remove that and make it proper. You see that every value is having something like this. Correct? Every column is having some extra character, right? Yes, do you see every column is having some extra character?
Yes.
Yes.
Every text you have is having some extra character, right? So this data has lot of things to clean. You observe that? So how we clean this data? How do we clean this data? To clean the data, first what we will do, we'll remove this filtering first. Select like this first column, Control Shift right arrow. Double click on it and see if the columns are expanded based on the data. Once they're expanded, then don't select anything. Just click your cursor on any cell, single click, and do Control Shift L. It will remove the filters. Control Shift L. See, Control Shift L. We'll keep the filters and we'll remove the filters. If you do Control Shift L, you see that we're putting the filters and removing.
Yes, ma'am.
Just do Control Shift L to remove the filters. Remove.
Yes, ma'am.
Now understand the data first. Then we will remove that cleaning of data we will do later one by one by learning. First tell me, what do you think this data is? What do you mean by row ID? Have you all done Amazon orders anytime in your...
Yes, ma'am.
In Amazon orders, whatever you do, same thing is in the form of data here. Okay, so we have row ID. What do you mean by row ID? There are multiple rows in Excel, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Next one, next column, what do you think it is? Order ID. What is order ID? What is order ID?
Unique codes.
Unique code for what?
Orders.
For orders like it has state name and zip code.
No, it's not about having a state name and zip code. Doesn't only have state name and zip code. It's not about what is it containing. Why do we need an order ID? That's
Unique.
what my ask is.
Reference, future
Each
reference.
orders have different unique IDs.
Unique identification number for each order?
Yes.
Correct. Okay, fine. Understood. Now, what is order date?
The date which we ordered the product.
The day when you have placed the order. Okay. Ship date?
The day when the order has been shipped.
From the go.
The day when the order is
Shipped.
shipped. In the sense, the delivery is starting, right? Based on our
Correct.
Amazon
Yes.
terminologies?
Correct.
Correct. Next, you have ship mode. What do you think this ship mode is talking about?
Depends on the emergency rush request the customer is asking for the delivery.
Okay, fine. Customer ID? Try to relate with Amazon, guys. It will be easy. Customer ID, what is it?
Yes.
Unique ID given to the customer.
Do you guys think that when I have Amazon account, there will be one identification number for me? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That can be this, right? I'm waiting for you guys to relate to Amazon and give me answers, but you're not doing that. Okay, customer name, obviously the name of the person who has ordered. Then we have segment. What do you think this segment is talking about?
Type of customer will be or delivery location.
Type of?
Customer like business or individual kind of.
Individually.
Okay, type of individual or something, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine then. So basically, if you ordered 100 chairs, will it be corporate purpose or for home purpose you will order 100 chairs?
Corporate.
Corporate.
If you ordered one bed, is it for home or office?
Is for home.
That's what is segment. Whether the purchase has happened for home office or consumer or corporate. Understood? Okay. Next, we have country. I don't think we need explanation for this country, city, state, and region, right? Next, we have product ID. What is product ID? So once again, India belongs to which region? Okay, good. Next, what is product ID?
For each product, we have some unique
Unique ID for the product.
product.
Unique ID for the each product. Category?
Type of the
Suppose if
product.
you are purchasing chairs, that belongs to furniture.
Furniture.
And chairs is a subcategory. What chair exactly is the product name again? There's a difference between category, subcategory, and product name. Okay.
Yes.
And the sale is the value you have paid. And quantity, how many chairs you have purchased, and the profit you got. The amount which you have sold the product for. And the amount which you have bought it. If you do subtractions between those two, you will get what profit you are in, right? Fine?
Yes.
Okay. Next thing. Next, what do we have? Let's go back. So you guys understood all the columns? Guys, understanding the data is more important. Did you understand all the columns?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
tell me, I have order ID 1, order ID 2, and order ID 3. Can the three different orders have one product ID, same product ID available, product ID 1 be present in three products, or one order ID will have three product IDs? Which scenario is possible? So before answering, I need explanation as well with an example. This is first scenario, this is second scenario. Okay?
Okay.
Tell me, which scenario is possible? Think logically, you will get the answer.
Can you please repeat the question again, ma'am?
So one order ID, you know what is order ID and what is a product ID, right?
Yes.
So will one order ID have multiple product IDs, or one product ID has multiple order IDs?
First one is correct.
One order ID can
Both,
have multiple product IDs.
both cases
I
can
need
be
an
possible.
example.
One person can
You can
order,
order two products at a
three
time.
person can order one person.
The proper example that everyone will understand. Try
Three,
giving good examples.
Three persons can
three,
order same product.
Three persons can buy.
buy some product, the same chair.
Three
It's
persons
like
can buy.
each person
No,
can
each
order.
person a chair, which has the same product ID.
Take an example. What is that product? Take one example particularly, no? Try taking one particular example.
Suppose we have one pen and 3 person can order the same pen.
What is that product?
Pen.
Give an example, guys. This is not you
Pen,
can
pen, pen.
say in interview. I want you guys to be prepared for interviews as well.
Any product like pen, chair, book.
Okay. Now I'll give an example. Next time, try to do it like this. Okay? Fine?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I'll give you an example. Now try to relate to it. And next time when I'm asking, no, try to give an explanation like this. Even in interviews also, if you give it like this only, it will be very easy for you. Okay? Fine. We always have to improve that. So, suppose I have a kurkure packet. You all know kurkure, right? Snack.
Yes.
I have one kurkure packet which I want to purchase. In the shop, there are 20 kurkure packets, but all 20 kurkure packets will have the same product ID because it's the same product, correct?
Yes.
So that doesn't mean I will purchase all 20. I will purchase one. My order is one. In my bill, there will be only two kurkure packets if I purchase. Some other person is coming, will purchase three kurkure packets. Another person is coming and doing an order, purchasing three more kurkure packets. The same product ID of green color kurkure packet is present in three of the orders. So that's why three different orders can have one product ID. Similarly, one product, for example, kurkure, and second product, Kit Kat, third product, 5 star, Can someone not order more than one product in one order? They will do it, right?
Yes.
So each product ID is for different chocolates. Now I want to purchase, only one person want to purchase all three. So it comes in the same bill. So both the scenarios are possible. Understood? When a question is asked, how I'm expecting you guys to answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Give an example. If you give an example, the interviewer will understand well what is your intention. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not explaining like this, no, he will not understand anything. He will sleep and we will not get job. We have to give very good example, gain their attention. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you explore this data more and come back tomorrow? So I'll ask some questions because in a project, first step is to understand data. You understand data only, you can do something.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, will you understand the data first so that we will go next? You will come back tomorrow with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. What time is the class from tomorrow?
It's 2.
2, 3.
It's 2, 3.
2 3 ST.
2 p.m. IST. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Then. Thank you guys. See you all back tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.